Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for joining. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a website that pays to watch YouTube videos. Now this website doesn't just pay you to watch YouTube videos. There are various tasks you can perform on the site and you can actually make money for performing those tasks. Personally, I have an account with this website. Every day I log into my account and I perform certain tasks and I get paid for performing those tasks. Alright, so if you're someone who wants to make money online, this is the website I highly recommend you look into. You try it out because you can actually cash out from this website. Alright, so in a minute I'm going to be taking you to my screen to show you this website and the different tasks you can perform to make money from this site, and also the payment method on which you can use to withdraw your money from this website. All right, but before I do that, I just want to clarify this, guys, that this website will not make you millions. This website will not make you rich. So if you're someone who wants to sign up in this website with the intention of becoming rich or with the intention of making millions, I'm super sorry to disappoint you that this website will not make you rich, neither will it make you millions. All right, if you're someone that wants to make extra money, you want to earn a few dollars here and there from this website, you can actually go ahead and sign up with this website because this website can actually make you some extra money. So if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Chinua Violet. On this channel, I share different ways on how to make money online. And if you're someone who wants to make money online, I will encourage you to join the family by subscribing to this channel. Hit that notification bell beside it so that whenever I upload a new video that has to do with making money online, you'll be the number one person YouTube will notify. Smash that like button as well. This also helps with YouTube algorithm. It helps YouTube to show this video to more people to watch and also get value from it. And let me know in the comment section if you're currently using this website and how long you've been using this website, and have you been able to cash out from this website. All right, so let me know in the comment section. So let me take you to my screen and show you this website. So guys, the name of the website is Timebox. Timebox is the website that pays you to perform several tasks. All right, there are different tasks on this website that you can actually perform and you can get paid for those tasks. All right, as you can see, this is my account. All right, and you can see how much I've made so far. So when you sign up, you get $1 bonus deposited into your Timebox account. All right, or Timebox wallet. All right, so to sign up, you can actually use the link in the description box, or you can go to their website and sign up. All right, so now there are different tasks you can perform on this site. As you can see, on this survey site, you can see you can actually perform, you can answer surveys and you can make some money. You can see how much you can make from this survey. All right, 0.875 cents. You can answer this survey. If you qualify for the survey, you can earn this much, okay, this cent. It goes into your account. Now, this money might not be too much for you, but guys, every cent matters, okay? Every cent, even 1 cent matters. So now you make money by answering surveys. You can see the different surveys here. All right, this is $1. All right, they have surveys for $2 and so on and so forth. All right, you can also make money by clicking on ads, okay, and also watching videos. You can see here I have a total of 9 available offers or ads or even videos to click on, and each ad or each video you click on pays you 0.001 cents. All right, you can see I have $1.779. So when I go ahead and click on this view right now, you can see that I'm going to earn now. It's timing, okay? You need to watch the ad for 5 seconds. All right, so it's ready. So you can see it was 9 and now is 8, okay? Meaning that I've earned 0.001 cents. You can see that my earn has increased to $1.780. All right, so that is how you actually make money. This is ads. I click on this and it takes me to a page where I need to watch an ad for 5 seconds and I'm going to earn this much. So now we click on another link.
Please turn on the captions in order to get subtitles in your very own language. And if your language is not present in the list, do comment down below and I will make sure that I add your language too. So guys, welcome to our very own.
Now this is a YouTube video you need to watch, okay? You can watch this video for Okay, you can watch this video for 5 seconds. You can see it was 5 seconds and I've earned another point. I've earned another 0.001. Okay, so you can see it has increased. When I refresh this page, let me refresh it. All right, you can see that I've earned another 0.001 cents. All right, and my offer is remaining 7. So I have more offer. So this is a survey, right? But it's an ad, right? So I need to view the content for 5 seconds. I'll click on it again. And I have earned another 0.001 cents. You can see there. Okay, I've earned another 0.001 cents. So this is what you do every single day. They have ads, they have offers every single day that you can click on and you can make some money. All right, so this is another ad. You have to watch for 40 seconds. All right, 0.001. Once you're done watching it, it goes into your account. So there are many offers. You can also play games. You can also play games on this site and you can make money. Also participate in a free money campaign that is called Swipe Stake, where you have to perform certain tasks every single day. You have to make sure that your account is logged in and you perform tasks every single day, and you have a chance to win free money. So they have like around $500 to give out to 30 people for free. All right, so that is for Swipe Stake. Right, so these are the ways you can actually make money. You can make money by watching slideshows, 94 news, engaging in some sites, push clicks, and participating in 55 word tags. So many ways you can make money from this site. All right, so they also have another way you can make money by promoting AliExpress products. Okay, you can make money by promoting AliExpress products as well. All right, so these are the ways you can make money from this website. All right, it's very easy, it is free. All right, all you need to do is to log in and participate, perform one task every single day, and you get some cents. Like I said, every cent matters. Every cent is important. Even if it is not that much, it matters. When you keep it and it keeps accumulating, it gets to a reasonable amount of money that you can actually withdraw and use it to pay your bills. All right, so now the payment method, they have different payment method. They have let me show you guys. You come to settings. There are different payment method you can actually use to withdraw your money from this website. All right, we have the ATM. This is recommended by the website. You can use this to withdraw your money as well. They have the bank transfer, which is through TransferWise. So it's also known as the Wise app. All right, if you don't have, you can sign up with Wise and you can use this Wise app or the TransferWise to withdraw your money. When you get to the minimum threshold, which is $10, you can actually withdraw your money to your bank account via TransferWise. Another way is Payee. This Payee, you can actually use it to withdraw your funds or withdraw your money as cryptocurrency, and also you can use it to withdraw your money directly to your bank account. Okay, another way to withdraw money from this site is Litecoin. The next one is Bitcoin. All right, and then we have the PayPal and the virtual Visa card. So these are the ways you can actually use. These are the payment method of which you can use to withdraw your money from this time box. This is how this time box works. So let me know in the comment section if you're currently using this website, how long you have been using this website, and if you have been able to cash out from this website. I know a lot of people know about this website, but if you don't know anything about this website, I highly recommend this website for you. Try it out. You can actually do your research about this website. Try it out if you're looking to make some extra money. All right, so thank you guys, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and give this video a like. All right, thank you guys for joining, and see you guys in my next video.